Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this helpful Microsoft Word tutorial, you will learn how to remove a logo from only the second page in Word while keeping it visible on the other pages. This is especially useful for letterheads, business documents, reports and professional templates. If you are ever struggled with design defined headers on a specific page, this video will make it incredibly simple. So let's get started. We can see here a logo, and this logo have all page. Now you want to remove the logo on the second page. Go to the first page last, then go to the layout menu, click the break drop down menu, choose continuous, then remove the space of the second page, then go back to the last of the second page and make it same process continuous, then double click on the header. We can see the first page is header section 1, second page is section 2, and the third page is section 3. Now you want to remove the logo only the second page. Go to the second page, then click link to previous, then go to the third page, click link to previous, then go back the second page and select it, then remove it. Then we can see the all page kept the logo now, but the second page is removed because I turn off the link to previous and make different section, then close header and footer, then check the all page. You can see we remove the logo only from the second page very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.